Proper explanation, part 2 of NEET 2023. A container of volume 200 cc contains 0.2 moles of hydrogen and 0.3 moles of argon gas. Pressure of the system at temperature 200 Kelvin is P net equal to P1 plus P2 from PV equal to nRT, P equal to nRT by V. P1 N1 RT by V plus N2 RT by V equal to RT by V of N1 plus N2. 8.3 into 200 Kelvin by 200 cc, 200 into 10 power minus 6 into 0.2 plus 0.3 equal to 8.3 into 0.5 into 10 power 6. 4.15 into 10 power 6 Pascal. The temperature of a gas is minus 50 degrees C. To what temperature the gas should be heated so that the RMS speed is increased by 3 times. It is V1 is taken as V, V2 equal to V plus 3V equal to 4V. Vrms equal to 3RT by molecular weight M. V1 by V2 equal to T1 by T2 root. V by 4V equal to T1 by T2 root. V cancel అవుతుంది. 1 by on squaring both sides 16 equal to T1 by T2. T1 equal to 273 minus 50 equal to 223 Kelvin. Equal to 1 by 16 equal to 223 by T2. T2 equal to 223 into 16 equal to 3568 Kelvin. Small t2 equal to 3568 minus 273 equal to 3295 degrees C. The xt graph of a particle performing SHM is shown in figure. Acceleration of the particle at t equal to 2 seconds is. Here t equal to 2 seconds equal to t by 4. Therefore, capital T equal to 2 into 4 equal to 8 seconds. Amplitude A equal to 1 meter. Angular velocity omega equal to 2 pi by capital T equal to 2 pi by 8 equal to pi by 4 radians per second. Acceleration A equal to minus omega square into x equal to minus pi by 4 whole square into x equal to 1 equal to minus pi square by 16 into 1 equal to minus pi square by 16 meter per second square. A simple pendulum is oscillating in air, has a time period root 3 seconds. It is completely immersed in non-viscous liquid having density 1/4 of material of the bob, the new time period will be time period of simple pendulum t equal to 2 pi under root L by G, T liquid by T dash by T equal to square root of G by G dash equal to G by G of 1 minus rho L by rho S equal to G cancel అవుతుంది rho S by rho S minus rho L equal to rho S by rho S minus rho S by 4 equal to LCM 4 rho S by 4 rho S minus rho S equal to 4 rho S by 3 rho S equal to 4 అంటే 2 by root 3. This is T dash by T. T dash equal to 2 by root 3 into T equal to 2 by root 3 into root 3 equal to 2 seconds. The fourth overtone of a closed organ pipe is same as that of third overtone of an open pipe. The ratio of length of the closed pipe to the length of the open pipe. Fourth overtone of closed pipe equal to 9V by 4L closed. Third overtone of open pipe equal to 4V by 2L open. These two are equal. 9V by 4L closed equal to 4V by 2L open. V cancel అవుతుంది 2 1s 2 2s. 8L closed equal to 9L open. L closed by L open equal to L closed by L open equal to 9 by 8 or 9:8. The ratio of fundamental frequencies of harmonics produced by an open pipe to that of a closed pipe. Fundamental frequency of open pipe F open equal to V by 2L. Fundamental frequency of closed pipe F closed equal to V by 4L. Same length F open by F closed equal to V by 2L into V by 4L equal to 2. Therefore F open equal to 2 into F closed అవుతుంది. According to Gauss law of electrostatics, electric flux through a closed surface depends on quantity of charge enclosed by the circuit. Enclosed by the closed circuit అంటే గాస్ లా EDA equal to Q net by epsilon naught. But depends on Q net by charge పై డిపెండ్ అవుతుంది. A charge Q microcoulomb is placed at the center of a cube. Flux coming out from any of its face will be total flux phi total equal to q by epsilon naught equal to q into 10 power minus 6 by epsilon naught. Flux through each phase, flux through each phase equal to phi total by 6 equal to q into 10 power minus 6 by 6 epsilon naught. If surface integral E ds bar equal to 0 over a surface, then the number of lines, flux lines entering the surface must be equal to number of flux lines leaving the surface. An electric dipole is placed as shown in figure. Electric potential at point P. Electric potential V equal to P cos theta by 4 pi epsilon naught into R square minus A square. P equal to 2A into Q into cos 0 by 4 pi epsilon naught into R square minus A square. 9 into 10 power 9, 6 into 10 power minus 2 into Q by R square minus A square. 25 minus 9 into 10 power minus 4. This equal to 9 into 6 into 10 power 13 to 10 power 11 Q 10 power minus 6 centimeter అంటే into 10 power minus 2 into 9 into 10 power minus 10 power 7 11 10 power 11 సారీ ఇక్కడ ఆన్సరు కేలలో ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి ఇది మారిపోతుంది. నేను మామూలుగా వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేశాను కానీ ఆప్షన్లలో అలా లేదు. వాళ్ళు మొత్తం వాల్యూని కేగా తీసుకున్నారు కాబట్టి ఆన్సర్లో కే పెట్టినట్లయితే అప్పుడు ఇదంతా లేకుండా ఉంటుంది. K into P cos theta 2A into Q 6 into 10 power minus 2 K into Q into cos 0 1 equal to K into 6 by 16 into 10 power minus 4 into 10 power minus 2Q equal to K into Q into 3s 8s 3 by 8 into 10 square. This equal to 10 square in terms of 10 square లో ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి 3/8 KQ అవుతుంది. If a conducting sphere of radius r is charged then the electric field at a distance r from the center of the sphere would be. For the electric potential V equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R. Q equal to 4 pi epsilon naught VR. Intensity of electric field equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square equal to 4 pi epsilon naught VR by 4 pi epsilon naught R square. 4 pi epsilon naught cancel అవుతుంది. VR by R square. So intensity of electric field E equal to VR by R square. V net 6 charges Q plus Q minus Q plus Q minus Q plus Q minus Q are fixed at the corners of a hexagon of side D as shown. The work done in bringing a charge Q0 to the center of hexagon from infinity is V net equal to Q net by 4 pi epsilon naught into R. This equal to 0 because Q net equal to 0. Therefore potential at the center equal to 0. Work done W equal to delta V into Q equal to 0 into Q equal to 0. The equivalent capacitance of the arrangement shown in figure. ఇవి మూడు సిరీస్ కాంబినేషను. C series equal to C by N 15 by 3 equal to 5 microfarad. Again these two are in parallel. C parallel equal to C1 plus C2. 15 plus 5 equal to 20. Therefore C net equal to 20 microfarad. The equivalent capacitance of the system shown in the circuit. 3 microfarad 3 microfarad parallel. C parallel equal to C1 plus C2. 3 plus 3 6 microfarad. C series equal to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. 6 into 3 by 9. 3 3s 3 2s equal to 2 microfarad. Therefore C net equal to 2 microfarad. To produce an instantaneous displacement current of 2 ampere in the space between the parallel plates of a capacitor of capacitance 4 mu F, the rate of change of applied variable potential difference I displacement current equal to dq by dt equal to d by dt of Cv equal to C into dV by dt. dV by dt equal to I by C equal to I2 by C4 mu F 4 into 10 power minus 6 equal to 0.5 into 10 power 6 volt per second. లేదా I displacement 2 milliampere 2 milliampere 2 into 10 power minus 3 అంటే అప్పుడు 10 క్యూబ్ వోల్ట్ పర్ సెకండ్. దిస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0.5 into 1000 అంటే 500 volt per second అవుతుంది. A certain wire A has resistance 81 ohm. The resistance of another wire B of same material and equal length and but of diameter thrice the diameter of A. Resistance R equal to SL by A equal to SL by pi R square. R1 by R2 equal to small r2 square by r1 square equal to d2 square by d1 square. 81 by r2 equal to d2 square. Diameter thrice the diameter of A. d2 square ante 3d 9d square by d square. D square cancel అయితే 9 r2 equal to 81. R2 equal to 9 ohms అవుతుంది. A copper wire of radius 1 millimeter contains 10 power 22 free electrons per meter cube. The drift velocity of free electrons when 10 ampere current flows through the wire will be. Drift velocity Vd equal to I by NAE equal to I 10 by N 10 power 22 into area. One radius 1 millimeter square ante 3.14 into 10 power minus 6 meter square. Charge of electron 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 is equal to 3.14 into మా ఆన్సర్లో 6.25 అలా ఉంచారు కాబట్టి పైన అట్లనే ఉంచారు, అందుకని పైన అలా ఉంచుతాం. పై ఇంటూ 10 power minus 6 దిస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 10 by 1.6 అంటే 6.25 ఇంటూ by పై 10 power minus 25 అంటే 22 అంటే -3 మిగులుతుంది, పైకి వెళ్తే +3 అవుతుంది. 6.25 by 5 into 1000 వస్తుంది. ఇది వెలాసిటీ, డ్రిఫ్ట్ వెలాసిటీ Vd -3 meter per second. Cubic meter per second. The resistance of platinum wire at 0 degree C is 2 ohm and 6.8 ohm at 80 degree C. Temperature coefficient of resistance alpha equal to RT minus R0 by R0 into T. 6.8 minus 2 by 2 into 80 equal to 4.8 by 2 అంటే 160.